Hi, this is Oishik. We'll be doing the chain rule today, and we'll be reviewing some major components. Okay, so the chain rule basically says if you have like a function, say it's like y equals 3x squared, or 3x plus 2 squared, you take the derivative of the outside, and then you take the derivative of the inside, and you basically keep on going. So here you could say dy dx equals dy du times du dx. So let's say x plus 2 equals u. So 3u squared. What's the derivative of 3u squared? It's, bring the 2 down according to the generalized power rule, 6u, and 2 minus 1 is just 1. But then you multiply by the derivative of the inside, u prime. U prime is the derivative of x plus 2, which is u prime is equal to 1. So 6u to the power of 1, which is u is just x plus 2, times u prime, which is 1. So we just get 6x plus 2. Okay, so this is a pretty simple one. Let's pick a longer one. Let's make it tan squared 2x. Okay, so for tan squared 2x, let's rewrite it. Let's make it easier. Tan squared 2x. It's of the whole quantity of 2x. So let's make it really simple. Let's substitute u is equal to tan of 2x. And since the whole part is getting squared, we make it u squared. The derivative du of u squared is equal to 2u times u derivative, u prime. And u prime is equal to the derivative of tan of 2x, which is secant squared 2x times the derivative of the inside, which is 2 times 2. So then we plug everything back in. 2u is equal to tan 2x times secant squared 2x times 2, which is just 4 tan 2x, and then secant squared 2x. So this is an example of a trig ratio. Okay, let's do another one. Let's make this a little bit harder. Sine cubed 2x plus 3 squared. So let's make u equals sine of 2x plus 3. And remember, this whole quantity is squared on the inside. That's the argument right here. So let's plug in u for that whole amount. So it's just u cubed. The du of u cubed is equal to 3u squared times the derivative of the inside, which is u prime. U prime is equal to the derivative of this, and this is cosine 2x plus 3, the inside is squared, that's the argument, times the derivative of the inside, which is 2, as you bring the 2 down, times 2x plus 3, times the derivative of the inside of that, just 2x plus 3, which is 2. So u prime equals 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2x plus 3 times cosine of 2x plus 3 squared. And we plug everything back in. 3 times u, which is sine of 2x plus 3 squared. Sine of 2x plus 3 squared times this whole derivative, 4 times 2x plus 3 times cosine 2x plus 3 squared. And we just collect like terms. 4 times 3 is 12. times 2x plus 3 times sine of 2x plus 3 squared times cosine of 2x plus 3 squared. And we'll do one last problem. This one is a little bit longer. We'll use the quotient rule for this one. It'll be 3x plus 2 squared divided by 7x plus 8 squared. So let's make this u and let's make this v. So it'll be the bottom, v times u prime times u times v prime divided by v squared. So we know u prime, if we send u to u prime, is equal to the derivative of 3x plus 2 squared, which is just 2 times 3x plus 2 times the derivative of the inside, which is 3, which becomes 6 times 3x plus 2. V prime equals 2 times 7x plus 8 times the derivative of the inside, which is 7. So that's equal to 14 7x plus 8. Okay, so now we can just plug everything back in. V 7x plus 8 squared times u prime, which is 6 times 3x plus 2. Oh, by the way, this was minus. Minus u, which is 3x plus 2 squared times v prime, which is 14 times 7x plus 8. All divided by 7x plus 8 to the fourth. And I'll just count the like terms on top. I'll factor it out. 2, 7x plus 8, and 3x plus 2. And you get on the inside 3 times 7x plus 8 minus 7 times 3x plus 2 all over 7x plus 8 to the fourth. So we see that this has to the power of 1, this is to the fourth, so we can cancel this out and make it a 3. And let's just quickly collect like terms on the inside. 2 times 3x plus 2 times 21x plus 24 minus 21x minus 14. And let's just do the top, let's not deal with the bottom right now. 2, this 21x and minus 21x cancels out. 2 times 3x plus 2 times 24 minus 14 is equal to 10, which is just 20. 3x plus 2 over the bottom, we can't forget that. 7x plus 8 cubed. And this is the derivative of the function using the chain rule and the quotient rule. Okay, thank you.